Hello, my name is Fozan Tariq, and we'll just jump right into my information visualization presentation. First off, we've got the bad example here. The author was trying to show how many taxi pickups occurred in Manhattan on February the 14th, and he broke them down by different taxi types across different hours. These types are for hire, green, and yellow. So we've got three variables here. The pickup hour, which is a continuous numeric time variable. The pickup count, which is a continuous numeric frequency variable. And a taxi type, which is nominal, separated into for hire, green, and yellow. So the author used bars, color, and bar height to encode the different variables. And the relationship from Fuse taxonomy here are time series comparison, parts to whole comparison, where the stacked bars attempt to show the proportions, and then category comparison, which is the different types of taxis we've got here. So the reason why this bar graph is bad is the stacked bars kind of overlap and are hard to read. The different colors kind of are alluding to transparency as well. The pink hues kind of make it difficult to distinguish the categories. The ordering of stacked bars also changes visually depending on height, which is kind of confusing. The visual clutter makes the interpretation kind of slow as well, and the transparency between the different types is causing kind of like a misleading overlap that looks like a third value. And also the title isn't too clear, like there's no mention of the word taxi in anywhere on this graph, which is misleading. So here is the good example we've got here. The author was trying to show how many how many people own each type of pet. We've got two variables here, where it's the type of pet, which is like rabbit, dog, cat, goldfish, and hamster, as well as the number of people who own each pet. The pet type is a nominal category type variable, and the number of people is a continuous variable type. So the author used bars, bar height, color, and horizontal labels to encode the different variables here. The relationship from Fuse taxonomy here is categorical comparison, where we're comparing counts between different pet types. The reason why this graph is good is each bar has like a distinct color, making the categories easy to distinguish between each other. The bar height clearly shows differences. The layout is simple and uncluttered. The interpretation is pretty fast, just looking at the graph. The chart uses appropriate encoding bars. The title also clearly states the purpose of the graph as compared to the previous, where it wasn't clear that the graph was even talking about taxis, really. And then the values and labels are also easy to read and not really overloaded with unnecessary information. So in conclusion, the bad graph kind of failed because of the stacked overlapping bars and the similar colors, and also the title was also unclear. It was just kind of a confusing graph. The good graph succeed because it used simple clear bar charts with very distinct colors, making the comparisons like not only accurate, but also you could quickly pick up on what the graph was talking about. And the title was also clear. And yeah, that about concludes my presentation. Thank you.